A nice day to you. Bankolade here from Klacify Limited Nigeria. In this video, I want to show to you how you can add teachers to your classes, assign subjects to them, and so on. So as an account manager in your school, when you open your app, this is the interface you see. So you click on the options icon here, click on school portal, click on this option icon of the school portal, then click on control panel. So from here, you come down here to teacher access. So these are the teachers in your school. So if, for example, you're talking about nursery 1 presently, and you want to assign that class to a particular teacher, click on teacher access. Assume I want to assign a class to Mrs. Juliet Moody, number 3 option here. I'll click on her. So the classes that she is going to have access to are all these ones that are ticked blue. If, for example, I want her to be nursery 1 teacher alone, so I will mark all the rest. This means that she will have access to nursery 1 alone. If she's to have access to more than one a class, let's say nursery 1 and nursery 2, I will leave this one ticked as well. Now on this side, the subjects. What are the subjects that Mrs. Juliet Moody will be having access to? These are the ones here. If I don't want her to have access to basic science and technology, I will untick that, I will untick the rest, and so on and so forth. So that is the way it is done. For example, if the subjects taken in nursery 1 are all of these, and she's the one that is taking all of them, you will leave them on like this. But if she takes some, and some other teachers take some, that means you switch on the ones that she takes and you switch off the ones that she does not take. That's the way it is done. And when you are done, you click on the check mark at the top here. Updated successfully. So you can go back and do the same for other teachers. If it's a secondary school and you want to assign subject to teachers, for example, I want to assign subject to this name, Mrs. Faith Nwasiwe. Click on it. Which classes is she going to take? Let's say she's taking GSS 1 to 3 basic science. So I will just have to switch off the other classes, meaning that she has access to GSS 1 to 3 basic science. Which subject should she be taking there? Basic science alone in those classes. So I won't take the rest. So this way, it means this teacher, Mrs. Faith Nwasiwe, is going to take GSS 1 to 3, basic science alone. If she's taking another subject, you take that subject on. So that is the way it's done. And when you are done, you click on the check mark here. Okay, and you are good to go. I believe this is understood. Thank you.